Wind reminds me of the place. When I close my eyes, the place comes to my mind. A trip with the wind. Come on the wind. All sorts of roads to Gyeongnam begin with the road of the wind. And will greet you. A splendid Gyeongnam story only permitted in the embrace of the sky. An enormous masterpiece shaped by nature and time. You will feel it all over your body. The ancient secrets the sky, earth, and water embrace will be heard. In the embrace of nature silently asserting its presence, we create our lives of today and a better future. The journey of wind starts by looking around a little slowly. A glance at the scenery of Gyeongnam makes you feel mesmerized. Open to anyone, Gyeongnam's roads catch your eyes at every step and spread out touching stories. The road of wind connects the past with the present. A special journey in which you can see the wisdom of the ancestors. Gyeongnam embraces international cultural heritages beyond Korea. Come to the roads of Gyeongnam, filled with tradition and history. A trip with a cool wind is always exciting. Why don't you escape from being tired of your daily routine and relax and enjoy romance? You can make friends with anyone you meet on the trip and have precious memories. Electrifying festivals continue in Gyeongnam throughout the year. Based on the time-honored tradition, Gyeongnam is becoming a city the whole world loves. Along the wind, the tastes and flavors of Gyeongnam ripen. If you want to feel, come to the warmth and authentic flavors of hometown Gyeongnam. On top of various shopping channels that attract people from all over the world, Gyeongnam recreated the tradition of hundreds of years with craftsmanship. It is even more beautiful as it is filled with wholeheartedness. The taste of Gyeongnam made with healthy ingredients grown in the nature and people's hearts. The reward is the honest-to-goodness and genuine taste. Wherever you go, Gyeongnam is full of pleasant and healthy flavors. Come on the wind to Gyeongnam. Everyone can enjoy a great day with memories you will never forget forever. Gyeongnam, a place where you will want to stay forever, awaits you.